Hi guys, this is Dr. Adam Russo with Riverbend Chiropractic in Destrehan, and I have my patient Michael here. Michael, tell us a little bit about what's going on with you.
So, because of what I do day to day, my job, I'm looking at my phone a lot, sitting in awkward positions, constantly hunched over.
Right.
So, a lot of times, if I don't come in for routine adjustments, I know that posture is just never gonna come back to what it was essentially. So.
Absolutely. All right, let's go. All right, let's go face down, man. So first, Michael, what I'm gonna have you do is lift your right leg for me. Good. How about the left side? What side was tougher for you? Is there any?
The right, I think.
Right side?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, cross this right leg over the left. I'm gonna do a couple drops on your hips here, okay? Okay, uncross there. And let's lift up the right again. Okay, how about the left? How's that feel now?
Much better.
Feels better?
Yeah.
Okay, good. All right, let's lay on your right side. And let's bend this leg, keep that bottom leg straight. Cross your arms just like that. And I'm gonna adjust you here, relax. Good, let's go to the other side. All right, let's bend this top leg, bottom leg straight. Cross these arms here. Like that, relax. Good, let's go on your back. What I'm gonna do now is just pull your hips here, okay? Relax that leg totally. Good. Felt that move?
Oh yeah.
Same thing here. Totally relax. There too, huh? All right, scoot down a little bit. A little bit more. Cross your arms. All right, come back, take a deep breath in. Let it all the way out. Good. One more time, deep breath in. Let it all the way out. Good. All right. Adjust your neck now, okay? You feel any restriction when you turn from left to right?
Mm-mm.
No?